Perfect, perfect, perfect.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Of course, you guys already know we about to check out some fire shoes. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you did enjoy in the video, smash the like button, and of course you guys subscribe with the notification bells on to be updated every single time these videos drop. Without further ado, let's get back to the video, you dig? These look pretty crazy. What are these, if you guys know? Or not that we don't know, because we can look on the box. Zoom Terra Kager 5, retail $130 for 30% off. These are actually pretty dope. Let me know what y'all think about these. Nike Trail. These are pretty dope, bro. If you guys have seen these before or actually own them, let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. They feel pretty light. Pretty dope, bro. 160. I don't think I've seen the triple black Lebron 16 low. It's like the triple black colorway, right? Or is that navy blue? On the camera it looks navy blue, but in person it looks triple black. Cop, pass, fire, or trash.
Perfect, perfect.
I got some of these on deck too. What are these, like the LeBron remixes or something? Cop, pass, fire, or trash on these. A lot of people do like these LeBrons. Haven't seen too many people have them on feet, but I've heard a lot of good reviews on them. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. Retail with 30% off on these also, right? 200, size 9.5. Pretty. You got some Air Max 720s on deck. Retail with 20% off. 134 or 129 with 30% off. So that's okay. We got ACG action in the building. What do you guys think about these ACGs? A lot of people got mixed feelings about ACGs in general. Got some extra laces going on here for you. Not too bad. Cop, pass, fire, or trash on the ACGs. If you own some ACGs, if you own a pair, let us know in the comment section. Let us know how they work for you. Share the information with other people. Now we got some of these, which this is not surprising. Jordan Mars 270 for 160 with 30% off. Not surprising that these are here. Oh, sorry. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop, pass, fire, or trash on the Mars Jordan 270. A lot of mixed feelings about these. Not too many people feel them. But let me know if you're one of the people who do. And if you do own a pair, let us know which one in the comment section below. We got Cherry Red 33s. Cherry Red 33s on deck. These right here, I believe, is the newest model from Jordan brand. Looks like a CP3 shoe, but it's not. Cop, pass, fire, or trash on them. They're pretty crazy. Let me know what you guys think about these. The outsoles is crazy. What's the retail tag on? These are going for 180. 180 with 30% off. Comes with a dust bag in here. I guess no extra laces. But these are definitely something different. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. You dig? Jordan 8s on deck still. 225 with a 30% off. Seen these plenty of times. We got the Jordan 7s in the reflective colorway also. Element Reacts. Epic Reacts. Dope colorway in those also. 150 with 30% off. 270s on deck. 270s with 160 with 30% off. Okay, I have not seen this before. Let's pull these out and take a look at these 33s. Never. Let's see what the tags say. 175 retail with 30% off. But let me know what you guys think about these 33s. And if you have information on them, what edition these are, let me know in the comment section. These are pretty sick, actually. I'm not mad at them at all. This color combination is pretty sick. If you guys have more information on it, let me know. They just put these out. For those of you guys who are fans of the Flyknit series, they got the Flyknit 4 on deck. What do you guys think about these? Which one do you like more, the blue Flyknit or the red Flyknit? Or are you not a fan of the Flyknits at all? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Definitely have been worn and returned, you dig? A lot of people have mixed feelings on, let me get the name right of them. The Air Jordan 1 High React, 170 retail on here. 170 retail with 30% off. Jordan with React. Jordan with React, man. Is that a pass or a go? Let your boy know. Oh, we got some ash orange 270s. A lot of people hit me up and said they liked this shoe in the last video. We got another pair. Retail with one. Retail with, oh, actually this is 134. 134.99 with 30% off. That's a super win. I've seen these one time before and they caught my eye. These are definitely unique. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Also have been worn and returned. Nike Trend Ultra Fast Flyknit 150 retail with 30% off. We definitely are finding some good shoes. If you see something you like, definitely smash the like button. If you see something you want me to, oh, these are cleats. I thought these were these are pretty dope cleats though, I'm not gonna lie. 54 bucks. What do you guys think about these? Finally have these in the building. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? The Nike Air 270 React at the mall or at the outlet already. I mean, not surprised. They got a lot of colorways of these. I'm not surprised at all. Let me know if you guys own a pair, and if you do, what colorway in the comment section below. Boom Satsuma, I love this colorway of the Presto React, navy blue with the white midsole and a little hint of orange. Something like a Denver Bronco or something like that. They're pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. You dig? Some more Elements 55s in that colorway. These gauges are not bad. They remind me of some Kobe's, man. These are for $54 with 30% off. Not bad at all. You got some LeBron Witness 3 Premium. Which ones are these? Oh, they're all white LeBron Witness 3s. I don't know why they have them right here with the full box on. One of my favorite colorways are the 2019 Vapormaxes. Cop Pass Fire Trash, 139 retail. This is actually my size, 139 with the 30% off. Let's try these on, man. Last time I tried some, I didn't really like them. I mean, they were cool, but they felt stiff. And what I was told before is that you gotta break them in. So let me go try them on one more time and see what they feel like on my feet. And this box just fell, so I guess they want me to mention it. They got some chlorophyll still on deck. These are gonna live at the outlets forever. Chlorophyll's on deck. This colorway of these the Air Max 270 Future, these right here, this colorway is pretty dope. Simple but dope. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Women's Air Max 2017. This colorway is pretty different. You know, I'm pretty sure there's girls out there who like this. Let me know if you're one of them watching. Cop Pass Fire or Trash on the Air Max 2017. Not bad. Been seeing these at Marshalls and Ross also, but never really seen this colorway. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think down below. For the women, again, these are not bad. These like change color, if you guys can see in the material right there. Is that a deal breaker or not for the ladies? 9.5 for women, Let me take a shoe out. These are crazy. These are crazy. Is this a good thing or a bad thing for the ladies? Let me know. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. I like how they change color like that. I think that's pretty sweet. That's crazy. You can only see it faintly, but it is pretty dope. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. $64 only for the ladies. Let's go ahead and put these back. I'm telling you, man, they got some shit here, East LA. Good size run. I'm not mad at these Air Max 98s either. For the girls, 94 bucks. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. Who owns pairs of 98s? For the ladies, the sneakerheads out there, like, let me know. I'd love to know. For the ladies, we definitely talked about this silhouette before. The Air Max Coralite. This is pretty dope. This colorway is pretty nice. Cop pass, fire, trash. What do the ladies think about these in the comment section below? These are not bad. Pretty good size run for the women too. $69, you can't go wrong with them. Hirachis, Cortez. Seen these at Foot Locker, House of Hoops, Shoe Palace for retail. Now they have them here for 59 bucks. Ladies and gents, what do you think about those? Blazers in the house for people who do like blazers. You know, the blazer hype has definitely been coming back since, Off-White got down with that. Women's blazer mid rebel, 59 bucks, not bad. This colorway's not bad. Women's blazer mid, almost looks like a SB Nike vibe. The box is even different. You know what I'm saying? Also gives me like a Virgil vibe too. Cop pass, fire, or trash on those. 59 bucks, not bad at all. Great price actually for those. So here goes my favorite stuff, but not this kind of colorway. The training pants. How much are these going for? 34. Should be cheaper than that. Maybe it's not on clearance, but it's still cheaper than what it normally would be. Some more dry fit, 65 as opposed to, 49 as opposed to 65. Or that's kind of confusing. They need to see what's up with that. But these ones right here are not bad at all. Pretty good dry fit. Maybe at some point I get some dry fit like shorts, compression shorts, but I usually work out in the compression pants. I haven't upgraded to the compression shorts yet, you know what I'm saying? Got to get a little bit more in shape to get with these, you feel me? But they are dope and they retail for 25 right now as opposed to, I don't know what, like 60? You know how they do with Nike stuff, man. I like this NFL tee because it has like a little, this is like a girl's tee, a Rams tee, but it got like little patches on the side. Pretty cool little element to it. These shirts are going for 35 bucks. Rams gear, Raiders gear for the Raiders and Ram fans out here. Jerseys on deck for the Rams. Girly authentic jersey. What's this going for? The girly authentic jersey is 110. 110. So that's gonna wrap it up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. We've seen everything from men, women, and children, apparel and shoes alike. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff in the comment section below. What was your favorite shoe in this sneaker store or this outlet? There should be maybe 2 parts to this, I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys think, man. Hopefully you watch it all the way to the end. Shout out to each and every one of you guys. Without further ado, let's get out of here, you dig? Peace.